everyone. Good morning, Mrs. O'Hara.
Good morning, Mrs. Murphy. Good morning, Thackley, and welcome to another week of singing assembly. We've got some of our favourites lined up this week, haven't we, Mrs. Murphy?
We have, and there's a bit of a theme this week, isn't there?
An accidental theme. Yes, we've got a bit of maths going on, and we're all stuck at home trying to do our schoolwork. So it's good that if we can help you with a bit of counting and a bit of maths.
I think it's more foundation stage maths though, because
Yes,
I think we're only up to about 1, 2, and 3 maybe.
Maybe we might stretch it a little bit on the last song.
What, when they've practiced a little bit?
Yeah.
Well, the first song we're going to sing, we haven't done for a while, have we, Mrs. O'Hara?
No, we haven't, but I think it is one that will come back very quickly, and it's got that lovely repetitive nature to it that means that even if you're not so sure at the start, by the end you can join in with all of it.
Yes. So, we are the children of which school, Mrs. O'Hara?
We are the children of Thackley School. And
you say Thackley School when you're singing.
Nice and loud. Get those neighbours woken up.
Are you ready? Here we go. Excellent.
I love it.
Love that song. We haven't done that for ages.
No, it does feel like it's been a little while.
I know, it does. And look, here's another 1, 2, 3 song.
Our nursery children will be great at this.
Right, I've got this one set up already. So we can just go for it.
You're like a professional, Mrs. Murphy.
No, I've been a bit more organised this week. I'll just make the words a bit bigger and there we go.
I haven't got my glasses on.
1, 2, 3, good to be me.
1, 2, 3.
And you're a bit slow there, Mrs. O'Hara.
I wasn't ready. I've still got my coffee.
Because I haven't seen you for a while. We're kind of out of sync now, aren't we? Right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, good to be me. One, two, three, good to be me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, good to be me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, it's good to be me, and I want the world to know it's good to be me. 1, 2, 3, it's good to be me, and I want the world to know it's it's good to be me. I'm a special person, and there's only one of me. And no one else is prouder of the person that is me. 1, 2, 3, good to be me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, good to be me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, it's good to be me, and I want the world to know it's good to be me. 1, 2, 3, it's good to be me, and I want the world to know it's good to be me. I'm a special person, and there's only one of me, and no one else is prouder of the person that is me. 1, 2, 3, good to be me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, good to be me. 1, 2, 3. I'm a special person, and there's only one of me, and no one else is prouder of the person that is me. 1, 2, 3, good to be me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, good to be me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, good to be me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, good to be me. 1, 2, 3.
Yes. Song number 2 finished. One more to go in our 1, 2, 3 theme. Oh,
I was trying to remember the actions to that one while we were singing it.
I'm
I
guessing
got a little bit lost.
They might have gone along the lines of that, then that, then that, maybe.
I think so, with a thumbs up.
I don't know, but it makes you want to dance that song, I think.
It does, it does.
And I'm just going to move us over here while I just click on these things. There we go.
There we go.
We haven't sung
Now this one, now we've warmed up singing 1, 2, 3. We have got that in the song, but we're also going to do a little bit of subtraction as well. We've got some backwards counting in this song.
Excellent. Well, I really like that. Let me just and I'm just going to move us on.
Just get your minds going.
I'm just zooming it in because it's not very big words. There's a lot to fit on the lines. So I'm going to move us back up
There
here
it is.
again. Right. Are you ready? Because this is the song that I could sing to you, Mrs. O'Hara. You can count on me. Like 1,
Aren't you kind?
2,
What are you
1,
after?
2. You can count on me.
3?
On 1, 2. Gosh, you got it eventually. Woo! Right, here we go. Song number 3.
If you ever forget how much you really mean to me, to help our friends in need. You can count on me. Like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like 1, 3, 2, you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. Oh, never let go, never say that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah.
Ah.
It's a good job this is a virtual singing assembly, because if all those children were sitting in front of me singing that song, I probably would be crying again.
I was listening to the words thinking, oh, Mrs. Murphy's going to cry again.
Oh, I've lost it. Hang on a minute.
You've got my shoulder if you need to cry, Mrs. Murphy.
Ah, thank you. Thank you. I think I'm all right today. I think
Oh, good.
What do you think of my
I'm going for Paw Patrol theme. Like it?
my children were playing with that, and I thought, oh, what can I put up there today? And just thought, well, let's put a bit of Paw Patrol up there, see if you can spot. You see, Chase is just there. And
Hiding.
hiding away.
I like it. Oh, I can't wait to see what you're going to have there next time, Mrs. Murphy.
Well, you know, this is what I'm going to be playing now for the rest of the day. A bit of Paw Patrol. Lovely. Well, we look forward to hearing from you, to hear what songs you want to request for next time, and stay safe, and we look forward to seeing you all very soon.
Take care, Thackley. Bye.
Bye.